Hello, welcome to this tutorial. Today, we're going to talk about the gerund. Let's get started. The gerund looks exactly the same as the present participle, but the gerund always has the same function as a noun, although it looks like a verb. Note that the gerund is a noun made from a verb by adding ing. Have a look at the following example. Cooking at home can help you save a lot of money. Note that the word cooking has the same function as a noun, but it is made from the verb cook. Now, when a verb ends with E, we get rid of E and add ing to the verb when we want to create the gerund. Have a look at the example over here. Make turns into making. Write, writing. And when a verb ends with a vowel plus a consonant, we double the consonant and add ing. For example, knit, knitting, swim, swimming. And when a verb ends with ie, we turn it into y, then add ing. As in the following example, lie, lying, die, dying. Remember that the gerund can be made negative by adding not. For example, in this sentence, we have the best thing for your health is not smoking. Note that the gerund can function as A, the subject of the sentence. For example, smoking causes lung cancer. The gerund smoking is the subject of the sentence. B, the complement of the verb to be. For example, the hardest thing about learning Russian is memorizing the verbs of movements. Note that the gerund memorizing is the complement of the verb to be is. Also note that the gerund can be used A, after prepositions, or as part of expressions, such as there's no point in spite of, etc. Have a look at the following examples. Can your brother count to 10 without looking at his finger? In this sentence, the gerund looking is used after the preposition without. And in this sentence, there's no point in going back to his place now. The gerund going is used after the expression there's no point in. B, the gerund can be used after phrasal verbs. They are composed of a verb plus preposition or adverb. For example, I ended up buying a new computer. Note that ended up is a phrasal verb, which is composed of a verb, ended, and up preposition. Have a look at the second example. Rachel gave up drinking sugar drinks. The gerund drinking comes after the phrasal verb, gave up, which is composed of a verb, gave, and up preposition.